Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. When it comes to seafood, prawns is something that I really like. And getting some fresh prawns from the market and making something really nice with them is truly an enjoyable experience. Today I'm going to share a very nice Chettinad style prawn curry made with just simple ingredients that are available at home. So let's get started and check out this simple yet delicious prawn curry. To make the prawn curry, take a wide kadai and add 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sesame oil for this recipe. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds and saute. After the mustard seed starts splattering, add 2 finely chopped large onions. Now add about 4 roughly cut up green chilies. If you like it to be spicier, you can add more chilies. Now mix again and saute the onions for about 5 minutes so that they are no more raw. As you can see, the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. At this point, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and mix. After 30 seconds, you can add 2 finely chopped large tomatoes. Mix well and saute until the tomatoes are mushy. This takes about 5 minutes. Now add about 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and mix well. Once the gravy is thick, add quarter cup of water. Mix it all well and cook until the oil is separated from the gravy. At this stage, I'm adding washed, cleaned and deveined prawns. I have taken 1 kilo prawns for this recipe. Mix them well with the masala. You don't need to add any water to this because prawns tend to release moisture naturally. And that's enough to cook them. After the prawns are coated with the masala, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and a few fresh curry leaves. Adding curry leaves in the end would release a nice aroma into the curry. Now cover the kadai with the lid and cook the prawns for about 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, you can see there's a lot of water released from the prawns. Give it all a quick mix and cook until the water is nicely reduced. After the curry is thickened, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Also add a few curry leaves once again and mix well. Turn off the stove and sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves. That's it, our delicious Chettinad prawn curry is ready to be served hot with some nice hot steaming rice. You can enjoy it with roti or chapati if you like. I'll give you a couple of links to the other prawn recipes I've done earlier, do check them out. Wow, that prawn curry was really delicious. I enjoyed it a lot. The key is in cooking the prawns correctly. Make sure you don't overcook the prawns because they can get rubbery. Follow all the steps to get this delicious Chettinad prawn curry perfectly. Try it and let me know how it turned out for you guys, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.